Hello, I'm Dr. Shuchi Bajaj. If you have a missing tooth or a tooth which is getting decayed and you want to go for a replacement and you're confused between going for a dental bridge or a tooth supported bridge and a dental implant, so this video might help you. First of all, to understand the difference between dental implant and a tooth supported bridge, we need to understand what are the two things. When I talk about a dental implant is nothing but a titanium root which is inserted at the site where the tooth has been removed or a rotten tooth is present. Over a period of time, we put something called as an abutment and then give a cap and the tooth becomes functional. When I talk about a tooth supported bridge, here we have to grind one front tooth, one back tooth from the site of missing area. After grinding the two teeth, we put something called as a bridge. Bridge, you can understand it as it is basically multiple numbers of cap which are fused together. So when we go for a tooth supported bridge, we basically have to fix some joining caps over the front tooth as well as back tooth and replace the missing area. Now, what are advantages and disadvantages of both? If I talk about dental bridge or a tooth supported bridge, the worst or the biggest disadvantage which I usually tell my patients is that we are damaging two of our healthy teeth. We are basically grinding them, we are removing their enamel so as to put caps on them. And naturally, if we go for a bridge, then we are putting all the pressure, all our biting pressure on those two teeth which we are using to support this bridge. Also, when we grind your healthy teeth, it also sometimes becomes necessary to do a root canal treatment for them. Root canal treatment is basically making your tooth non-vital or dead forever. I am not really in favor of that. Also, if you have a missing tooth and you go for a dental implant over there, then we are able to save and preserve the bone which was existing over there. When we do not go for an implant, bone starts reducing from the site of extraction. It leads to bone loss. Also, if we go for a bridge, you may not witness this immediately, but after certain years, when the bone keeps on resorbing, you may face difficulty of food entrapment happening below the bridge, and it is absolutely impossible to clean beneath that area because you cannot brush below the bridge, right? Also, the life of tooth supported bridge is maximum of 10 years. On the other hand, when we talk about dental implant, this has more longer life. Usually they last for at least 10 to 15 years and even more than that. Earlier we used to say that a tooth supported bridge will be a more reasonable option because dental implants were very expensive. But now, because reasonable implants are also available as cheap as 14,000 rupees, so nowadays we usually promote patients to go for a tooth implant. So if you are confused that which option is best suited for you, so let me simplify that. If your adjacent teeth from the site of a missing tooth or a rotten tooth needs any kind of replacement, like an adjacent tooth is also damaged and you need to go for a root canal, in that case the adjacent tooth is either having a lot of crack lines or something, and you anyways need to go for a capping, then you may still consider going for a bridge. That will be a non-surgical option, and in case you're already going for caps in the adjacent teeth, then this will also be a very cost-effective method. So basically, if you are a healthy patient, you have healthy teeth, a healthy adjacent teeth from the site of missing tooth or a rotten tooth, then dental implant will be a more better option for you. So if you have any more questions, you can ask me in the comment section. You may even take teleconsultation from me by contacting me on the WhatsApp number provided here. Thank you.